We had flash floods Saturday and all night Saturday night and most of the day Sunday. So I just was out here seeing if anything got washed up. Oh, I know it's absolutely drenched. And I was at the Farmers Co-op out here in town Friday, I believe it was. And they had some Vidalia onions. And even though it's late here for us to be planting onions, they had some onion sets. I picked up a bundle and put them in here and transplanted all the leeks into these other beds. They're in every bed. I think it's maybe except this one. Look at those potato onions. They are growing like gangbusters. Look at that. Already have 2 or 3 tops coming out of them. This is my first experience with potato onions. If y'all have had experience with them, tell me how you like them. Oh, look at there, how it just washed over all the leaves. They're just matted up. And they're so wet and so tender right now. If I tried to straighten them out, all I do is end up breaking them. Got my little dog out here with me, which is very, very hard to keep in one place. She's a menace to society. She's only 6. She's not even quite 6 months old, and everything has to go in her mouth. Everything has to be tasted. You know, no matter if it's something good for her or not. I just gave the chickens a bunch of chickweed I pulled up over there. I'm not gonna make this a long video. Oh, look at these potato onions. Wow. I wish I had known about these potato onions years ago. Because according to what I've read, you have potato onions year round. A nice head of broccoli. And I imagine that's all the florets that one's going to produce, so I'll probably gather them and pick them over the next few days. There's a bunch of those leeks in these 2 beds. It looked like it packed down the soil quite a bit, but I did buy a new load of topsoil and compost because I knew I was going to have to be topping these beds off. You can't top off the onion beds because, you know, they are what they are until their onions get big enough to harvest. Come here, little girl, you're going to get in trouble. Okay, that's just what I wanted to update everybody on was, it's amazing that, I'm really amazed actually that we didn't get more damage than what we did. And we were sitting there in the living room last night and a huge, huge tree limb fell out of that tree there. It hit the top of the house and it sounded like a bomb went off. Actually, I want to go see how big that limb is. It was after dark, and even though my son went out with a flashlight, he couldn't. What he saw on the ground, he said wasn't big enough to make that kind of noise. So I'm gonna see if it's still on the housetop. Okay, I hope y'all have a blessed and good week. I think I pulled a muscle on the left side of my back. I thought it was a kidney stone to start with because it hurt in the kidney area so bad. But I have just about concluded it's muscle. And I probably did it at Lowe's Friday. Thursday, or let's see, when did I go to Lowe's? One day runs into another when you get old, I tell you. Okay, I hope everybody's having a blessed week and God bless. Take care.